Hey everyone. Thank you so much for 400,000 subscribers. It's me. Yes, I have a physical body. This is a very special day for us, and it happened because of your support and love. I know I made many mistakes, but you were here to support me all the time. I really appreciate your support for my channel. This is the update 3.0, which has happened after a very long time. You will start seeing all these updates in upcoming videos. This is your channel, and you made it possible. So, leave your suggestions, as well as the questions in the comment section below, and help me to make this channel perfect. And one more thing. I am organizing a giveaway. All you need to do, share this video on your social media accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, with the hashtag Avnish Parker, and invite your friends to like it. Top 10 people with most likes will get this nice looking t-shirt. So hurry up. This giveaway is open till next Tuesday. I will announce the names of the winners on next Friday. Good luck, and sayonara.